Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm, and it is road trip time. I am on my way to Louisiana. I do this about 3 or 4 times a year to go pick up some supplies because shipping is just outrageous. So I drive all night. It's about 10 o'clock on Wednesday. I'm hoping to get there around 3 or 4 on Thursday, pick up the supplies, and then start heading back. And I thought this time I'll actually videotape it and record it. So wish me luck, and we'll let you know when we get to the next state. See ya. Well, it is about 3:30 in the morning, and I'm about 20 minutes outside of Nashville. So I'm getting my first fill up, and currently I'm at $74. So there's that. Update coming. Hey everybody, so it's about 7:30 in the morning now, and I am actually in Arkansas. So I'm actually making a really good time. There's hardly any traffic, but the sun's coming out, and now all the carts are coming out. So we'll see how we do with the trailer now. So here's the next one. Hey everybody, it's about 2 o'clock here in Louisiana, and I just picked up all the foamers and loaded it up. So this is what a lot of foamers look like. Something like that. And you can't even see all the way in the back there. So I've been driving since 10 p.m. So I've got some surprises for you tomorrow. So I'm gonna go find a hotel and get some rest, and we'll see you tomorrow. So, right. Hey, so I didn't video this morning when I got up. I had a lot of stuff to do, but I made a pit stop on my way home, and guess who I've got? Chris from Slightly Redneck.
Yeah, I'm glad you stopped by, man. It's a good time hanging out with you, even if it is just for a little while. You don't get to hang out for very long, but wish you got to stay longer. I'd love to show you around town, but thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it.
Yeah, it was the traffic, but we just did a couple videos that we'll be posting later on, so I'm pretty excited about that, and I'll let you know when I stop next time. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, so I'm back from the trip. I actually got back yesterday, but it was late and I was tired. So I'm parking the trailer, and it was a pretty good trip. I had a good time meeting up with Chris. And so again, Chris, thanks for letting me come by. And we got some good videos coming your way, so stay tuned.